We will now look at how to make an invoice in manymore.com. When you have logged in, click on Create, click One Invoice, and you will see this form. Start by adding your client. Then you will have your client on the left side, From, which is your information, in the middle, and Invoice Info. Here you can click to edit. Add invoice date, due date, buyer reference, and order reference. Then you can start adding invoice lines. Select the service that you have provided. For example, translation. We will choose type of job. It can be task or time. We will call this a task. For reporting purposes, add the start and end date of when you completed the task. Add the number of hours total spent. And add a description. Under price, add the price per word. Quantity is number of words for this translation. And on the right side, you will see the total price, including VAT. If you're sure that you are not going to pay VAT for this task, click 0%. However, be aware that most goods and services in Norway have a VAT of 25%. If you have completed more jobs for the same client, you can add a new invoice line. For example, if you also completed an interpretation for the same client. We will call this a time job. Add the start date of the job, start time, end date, and end time. Add a description. Add the price per hour. And add number of hours. You can also add other expenses, such as train ticket, remember to always add the receipt. You can also add taxable benefits, mileage if you drove your car, diet if applicable, or other work such as overtime or night extra. You can also add attachment. When everything is added, click Save and Continue. Now you will be able to see a summary of your invoice. If all looks correct, you can choose to only create invoice, send by email, or send by EHF. You can also edit draft. Thank you for your time.